Hi, and welcome to our CAT 2022 course explainer video. My name is Vivek, and I will be taking you through what are our offerings for the CAT 2022 programs of LRDI and Quant. Now, when you enroll for any of our courses, you will be given an LMS account, right? We use Learnist for providing all our courses. So you can check on your My Enrollments section. So you will be able to find what are the courses that you have been enrolled for or you have access to. So let me take you through one such course where you will be able to see all the features, how do you learn, how do you present your doubts, etc. And they are pretty similar for our other courses as well. So once you click on the courses which are there, each of them have modules. So for LRDI section right now, we have two modules. Our practice set and your sectional test modules will come up somewhere around March onwards. So if I go to the learning module, I can go through each of this learning module is divided into different sections. So LRDI module right now has about 28 sections, each of them divided into bite-sized pieces. Each section will have an introduction or a concept video, which will basically tell you the basic fundamentals of these courses, this particular section. Once you go through that fundamentals, you will also have, so you have videos here, you have a couple of videos here in this optimization part. Then you can actually go to solved examples. This is for you to practice. Now, each solved example, you'll have a question and answer set. You can take this set, take as much time as you want. There is no timer in this. You can take as much time as you want, and you can try to solve the question. The answer key is available on the last slide of each of these sets. In case you want to see the video solution of this, all you need to do is basically go to the next part, right? And you will be able to see the video solution for this. You can increase the speed if you want to. You can change the part. Everything is possible here. So in case you find in case my teaching to be a little slow, you can speed it up. If you find it a little fast, you can slow it down. Just like any other video player, you should be able to do it. Now, if you want to create some bookmarks for your future reference, for example, I want to come back to this in my revision process, you can just click on the bookmark tab here, and you will be able to come back to it a little later. Right, so these are my bookmarks which are available for me, right? And in case you want to have any questions that you want to ask, right, you can ask a question here. You can post your question. You can attach a file in case you want to. We basically resolve all doubts within 48 hours. Last year, we were able to resolve more than 85% of our doubts within this 48-hour time frame. There was some period between August end to September first week where I was actually shifting homes, where this timeline was not met, but broadly speaking, somewhere around 85 to 90% of the queries were resolved within this 48-hour time window. Much faster in some cases as well. But as I said, 48 hours is our usual benchmark. Now, we try to resolve these doubts in such a way that you will be able to get an answer very soon. Rather than trying to solve one-line answers for this, what we try to do is try to explain it to you as much as possible. So our doubt clearing usually consists of 2 or 3 frameworks that we go through. If there is a doubt which basically resembles a video that we already have in our course or a lesson that we already have in our course, we basically tell you, okay, go and look at this question, right? It's very similar to that. In case you still have a doubt, we try to resolve it using by putting annotations into a slide and sending it across here. 99% of the doubts are cleared like this. I mean, we have a library of over 600 videos in LRDI, over 2000 videos or lessons in Quant. So, I mean, almost all types of questions are actually covered in here. In case there are questions which are not covered, we do actually create more and more videos video solutions as well. But what we have seen is that most of it is usually covered over here. Now, besides this, you will also be getting, once the course begins, you will also be getting, as I said, you will also be getting practice sets. For LRDI, you will get a daily practice set starting from middle of March. For Quant, you will get a sectional test somewhere in the end of July onwards. These sectional tests for people who, these daily sets for LRDI, for people who join in a little late, will be combined into a sectional test. Some of it will be combined into a sectional test because some people are not able to complete those sectional tests, or they want to take it as a sectional test instead of doing it on a daily basis. So that is also available later on. Starting from July end, we create those sectional tests and give it to you over there. Now, you would ask me, what about live classes, and what about interaction with the faculty, etc. So there are different ways that you can interact with us. First one is we provide you with a WhatsApp group. We usually start off somewhere in the end of March because that's when people really start getting serious about it. So we provide you a WhatsApp group. You can post your doubts over there. Usually we ask doubts to be posted on the forum because I don't check WhatsApp that often. So I usually would prefer something which gives me a notification of an email, etc. Right? But I do try to request, I do try to check WhatsApp groups once in a day or once in 2 days just to make sure that everything is going fine, etc. The other way that you can do it is we have a review session where you get a chance to speak with me for 20 up to 30 minutes once every 45 odd days. So usually we provide 3 sessions. You just have to book a time slot and make sure that you show up there. This is usually over any of these recording sessions. It can be on phone, it can be on Zoom or anything. We provide this recording and recording to you for later reference, and we can come back and revisit our interaction from the previous time. This is like a recording for both us and for you. So it's like a reference so that we know the progress from the previous part to us. When it comes to the mode of videos, we basically do recorded sessions. We don't do live sessions. Now, most of you are above 21 years old, so which means you can decide who to vote for, you can decide who to marry legally, most of you. When you can make those large decisions, I am also sure that you will be able to choose which type of classes work best for you. I'm not trying to sell or not sell or convince or not convince you. I will not be able to convince you. But from my past experience, at least for courses like LRDI and Quant, live sessions are not very practical, right? The difference in the type of students basically makes live sessions focusing only on one particular type of student, and the other people usually get neglected, bored, they switch it off, right? So that roughly is about our courses for CAT 2022. In case you have any queries, etc., you can message us in the link given below. In terms of demo classes, you can also look at a couple of demo classes. We have a huge array of about 150 odd LRDI videos, which you can check over here. You also have more than 1,500 Quant videos, loads of videos which are available on our YouTube channel. The link will be available in the description. You can figure out how we teach, what is the pace at which we go, how well or how badly we explain our concepts, how we solve our sets. Everything you can make up your mind. You can go through that and make up your mind. I hope you make the right choice. Hope to see you soon in our courses. Till the next time, stay safe. Goodbye. All the best.